In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your candlestick and volume colors on TradingView. This can help you customize the appearance of your charts and make your analysis a little more personal and tailored to your liking. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to bring up your chart on TradingView. Imagine you've got it in front of you, ready for some personalized adjustments. Now to get started, simply right-click anywhere on the chart. This action will bring up a menu, and from the options you see, you'll want to select Settings. This is your gateway to all sorts of customization options. Once you're in the Settings window, look for the Symbol tab. This is where you'll focus on changing the colors of your candlesticks. Within the Symbol tab, glance through until you find the Candles section. It's here that you'll see options for the body, borders, and wicks of the candlesticks. To change any of these, you'll find a little color box beside each option. Click on this box and a color palette will open up in front of you. This palette is your tool to select any color that you feel best represents your style or makes the most sense with your analysis framework. Just give it a click, choose your preferred color, and voila, you'll see it update on your chart. There's also a nifty little setting you might want to explore called color bars based on previous close. This option changes the bar colors based on their relationship to the previous bar's close, instead of just their own open and close prices. It's an excellent way to quickly visualize the market momentum. If this interests you, just toggle the setting to activate it. Once you're satisfied with your new candlestick colors, be sure to click OK to apply these changes and lock them in. Now, let's move on to sprucing up those volume bars. You'll be starting again with a right click on the chart, just like before. Select Settings once more, but this time your focus will be the Style tab. Under this tab, find the section dedicated to volume settings. You should see a color box here that controls the color of the volume bars. Click on this box to open the familiar color palette and decide on the tone you want your volume bars to have. Whether you choose something vibrant or subtle, it's completely up to you and your preference for how information is visually presented. And again, once you've made your selections, be sure to click OK to save these color settings. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've personalized your TradingView experience by changing the colors of your candlestick and volume bars. This customization can help you feel more at home with your charting, making it easier to interpret data the way you prefer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy charting.